Chapter 4 Birds. New to know. How does a bird fly? Feathers, shape of beaks, feet and claws, different types of nests. Birds are one of the most beautiful living creatures on our planet. Their body is covered with feathers. They have a boat-shaped, light body. Their bones are light and hollow. These help them to fly high in sky for a long time. Instead of arms, birds have wings which help them to fly. The tail of a bird helps it to change direction during flight. How does a bird fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings. In fact, wings are modified forelimbs. The wings of a bird show two types of movement, that is upstroke and downstroke. In upstroke movement, the wings move upwards and backwards. A bird lifts itself up in the air by flapping its wings, while in downstroke movements, the wings move downwards and forward. There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds around the world. Most of them can fly, but some of them cannot fly. For example, ostrich, penguin, emu, kiwi, etc. They are called flightless birds. Feathers. Feathers are the most unique feature of a bird. They help the birds to fly and also keep their body warm. Feathers are bright in color, which makes birds beautiful. Birds have mainly three types of feathers. 1. Flight feathers. These feathers are large and flat. They are found on the wings and tail of a bird. They help birds to lift themselves and maintain balance for flight. 2. Body feathers. These feathers give shape to the body of the birds. They are strong but light in weight. 3. Down feathers. These are short, soft and fluffy feathers. They keep the bird warm. Beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beak to catch and eat food. All the birds don't eat the same kind of food. The shape of their beak depends on the kind of food they eat. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. Flesh-eating birds like eagles, vulture and owls have strong, sharp and hooked beak. They use their beak to tear the flesh into small pieces. Short, hard and horny beak. Birds like sparrows, pigeons and robins have short, hard and horny beak to crush the nuts and grains. Curved beak. Birds like parrots have a short curved beak for cracking nuts and hard fruits. Strong chisel-shaped beak. Birds like hoopoes and woodpeckers have strong, hard and chisel-shaped beak. They use their beak to tap the barks of trees and to catch the insects for food. Broad and flat beak. Birds like spoonbills and ducks have broad and flat beak. They scoop the muddy water with their beak. The mud and water flow out through holes on the sides. The little plants and insects from the muddy water stay inside the beak. Long and pointed beak. Birds like hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and pointed beak to suck nectar from flowers. Feet and claws. Mainly birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each foot. At the top of each toe lies a claw. They use their claws to catch their food, to protect themselves and to sit on tree branches. Different birds have different types of feet. Add-ons. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Perching birds. Birds like sparrows, crows, pigeons, etc. are called perching birds. They have 3 toes on front and 1 at the back. These help the bird to hold on to a branch of a tree. Scratching birds. Birds like hens and peacocks have strong legs with sharp and hard claws. They scratch the ground with their claws to find out seeds and insects to eat. Climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers have 2 toes which point upwards and 2 toes which point downwards. This helps them to hold on to the tree while climbing. Swimming birds. Birds like geese, ducks and pelicans are water birds. They have webbed feet which help them to swim in water. Wading birds. Some water birds like cranes, herons and flamingos have long thin legs with widely spread toes to keep the feet from sinking down in the soft mud. Scoop means to pick something with the beak. Flesh-eating birds. Flesh-eating birds like eagles and vultures have sharp and curved claws called talons that they use to catch their prey. Nests. Birds build their nest to lay eggs and to raise their young ones. They choose safe place to build their nest. Different birds build different kinds of nest. Some make their nest on high treetops, while others make them on the ground. Cup-shaped nest. Bulbuls, sparrows and most of the other birds build cup-shaped nests. They make their nest on branches of trees and shrubs or on grounds. They are mostly made from dry leaves, grass, cotton, threads, etc. Burrow nest. Birds like swallows and kingfishers dig a burrow in a vertical cliff along the bank of a river. This burrow is their nest. Cavity nest. Birds like woodpeckers and owls make hole in a trunk of a tree with their chisel-shaped beak. This hole is their nest. Scratch, to rub nails over something. Pendant nest. The weaver birds and sunbirds weave their nest using thin and long grass and then hang their nest from the branch of a tree. It has a tunnel-like opening at the bottom through which the birds enter. Platform nest. Birds like crows and eagles build platform nest by putting together a few sticks. They are flat and generally built on extremely high tree tops. Add-ons. Cuckoo bird does not build its own nest. It lays its eggs in a crow's nest. Tailor bird's nest. The tailor bird sews leaves together to make a nest. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to sew the leaves with cotton, hair or wool. Final learnings. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Birds have 3 types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. The shape of bird's beak depends on the kind of food they eat. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each foot.